Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is Wednesday. It's been busy. Starting to pick up here. So I've been doing that basement job, and I'm recording. I'm just trying to get this turn over with. So I'm on my way back there to finish that flip today. Just clean up and painting the baseboards and stuff. Just doing a final check on it. I'm taking my car because I don't need any tools. It's just the painting. I've left it there. Today is also me and Ashley's 7-year anniversary from dating, and 3 days ago it was our 6 months anniversary of being married. Ching ching. Yeah, so interesting time, but busy time too. And yeah, so we'll see you guys at the unit. If I think of anything else, I'll come back to you. But yeah, get it. Welcome back, guys, to the last day of this turn in London. I'm just going to be going around painting trim, like little marks like this, and then go around the baseboards and check out anything else, and then just a final little sweep and mop, and we should be done in here. I still have some stuff in here, so I hope it fits in all. I hope it all fits in my car. But yeah, I ended up repainting these rads too. They turned out pretty good. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna get to it. See you guys in a bit. Get it. All right, guys, the only thing left in this unit here is the mop, a water, and the dream. All right, so just gonna get my mop on. I've already swept everything. I'm just gonna mop the entire unit and then get out of here. Oh. Hey, honey. I'm mopping. Hold on. There you go, guys. All done. I mopped the entire place, swept it, everything's done. Washroom's done, everything's done. The only one thing I did forget again, you'll never guess. The screen. It's still sitting in my garage. Totally slipped my mind. But what are you gonna do? I do obviously gonna be coming back here for viewings and things, so I'll just pop it in then. I'll get it done on the weekend or something. Or next time up here, I'll just put it back in. I'll have it done now. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for if you watched them all. Thanks for coming along. I think it was 3 videos. If you didn't see all the drywall fixes, go back, check it out. There's a lot in here. It wasn't horrendous. It's just really dirty. It was really dirty. So yeah, thanks for coming, guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Get it.